In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Adobe Illustrator. You can find the eraser tool on the left side of your screen in the toolbar. It's represented by an eraser icon. To activate it, simply click on the icon or press Shift and E on your keyboard. You can adjust the size of the eraser tool in two ways. To increase or decrease the size quickly, you can use the bracket keys on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can double-click on the eraser tool icon in the toolbar to open the eraser tool options panel. In this panel, you can manually adjust the size, angle, and roundness of the eraser tool to suit your needs. Once the eraser tool is selected, you can start erasing by clicking and dragging it across any object on your artboard. This will remove the parts of the object that you pass the eraser over. When you erase a shape that only has an outline and no fill, Illustrator will automatically connect the two anchor points at the ends of the erased section. Another important tool for erasing in Illustrator is the Scissors tool. You can access the Scissors tool by right-clicking on the eraser tool in the toolbar and selecting Scissors tool from the drop-down menu. You can also activate it by pressing C on your keyboard. The Scissors tool allows you to cut a path at specific anchor points. To use the Scissors tool, first select the object or path you want to cut. Then, click on the anchor point or path segment where you want to make the cut. You can delete the unwanted part by pressing the Delete key. This tool is especially useful when shapes are overextending into areas where you don't want them. And that's how you can erase in Adobe Illustrator.